Brian Sensei here, and I am excited to share with you that you can now collaborate on files in Microsoft Teams Personal Edition. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload and collaborate on files in a Teams community and in Teams chat. Let's dig in. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is open up the Teams app. I'll go down here to search, type in Teams, and there it is. Microsoft Teams will be pre-installed on your Windows computer. All right, so over here on the left, you're going to see the different areas of Teams. I'm going to go here to the community. And this is where you can build community teams to collaborate with others through chat, through posts, and now you can collaborate on files. If you don't have a community started, you can go up here, click the plus icon, and you can create your first community either from scratch or by using one of the templates. Once you've set that up, you'll see it listed here on the left. So here's an example of a team community that I have called Brian Sensei's School of Rock. All right, so I'm going to click into this. You're going to see here off to the right, we have our posts area where we can post messages to everyone in the team and make announcements. And now we have the Files tab up here next to Posts. When I click here, I'll see any files that have been shared in the posts area that are accessible to me. Right now, there's no files, so I'm going to go ahead and go back to posts, and I'm going to post an announcement. In this scenario, I am posting an announcement in regards to our School of Rock potluck. So I'm going to go to announcement here, and I'll type in my headline, and I'll have a subheading, potluck signups. Down below, I can compose a message in regards to this potluck. All right, now you can see here below that I can attach a file. I'm going to go ahead and click on the paperclip to attach an item. And I have the option to upload from this device or upload from my OneDrive. In this case, I'm uploading from the device. And there it is, the School of Rock potluck Excel file. Okay, and you can see that's attaching there at the bottom of the message. Now notice over here, we have a checkbox to also notify via email. So that means everyone who is a part of my team community will be getting this message sent directly to their email inbox. Additionally, you can @message everyone in the team and they will receive a notification in their activity bell. So at the end of the message here, I'll type @everyone. Click here, and now everyone has been added here so that they will be notified within Teams as well. All right, I'm going to go ahead and click post. And boom shakalaka, the post is now live. If you need to invite members to your team community, you can either go up here to the invite members button, or off to the right of your community team name, you can click the More menu and go to Invite Member. Here you will enter the email or phone number of the person you'd like to invite. In this example, I'm going to invite Daryl Hall of Hall & Oates. I'll click Invite. All right, so now he is a member of the team as well. Okay, so you can see down here, we have our announcement post, and below that is the file. I can click here to open and edit the file. So everyone in this team community has the ability to edit this file. I can also go up here to the top, click on Files, and I can open the file from here. And let's see if anyone has accessed the file to share what they will be bringing to the potluck. The file will open in the browser, and you can now begin editing. Whoa, and look at that. We can see that Daryl is in the document currently editing with me. I see his usernames up here, and I can see here exactly which cell he is working in. Nice, he's gonna bring meatloaf. So just like that, you can be working in the document at the same time. And again, everyone in the community can come in here and make changes at any time. Now, one other thing I want to show you is that you can do file collaboration within chat as well. So if I go over here to the chat tool, and here you can see I have a group chat that I started. And within this group chat, I uploaded a Word document. And I simply did that by coming down to the message field, click on the paperclip, and you can upload from the device or from OneDrive. And here you can see the file that I already uploaded, and everyone in this group chat can click on this file and work on it at any time, either synchronously or asynchronously. And like we saw in the Excel document, you will see your colleagues working in real time if they are in the document. Aha, and there we see Daryl has come in, and I can see exactly where his cursor is, and I can watch him type in real time. All right, and that is how you use files to collaborate within your Microsoft Teams community. If you want to see more of these videos, consider subscribing to my channel and click the notification button so you can be notified every time I post new videos. If you have a specific tech tip you'd like me to create, please let me know by completing the form in the description below. And I'll see you on the next one.